Are you unsure which version of QuickBooks you're using? Maybe you're troubleshooting an issue or you want to upgrade, but you're stuck figuring out if it's QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, or another version. In this video, I'll walk you through a foolproof way to find out exactly which QuickBooks product you have, step by step, so you can save time, avoid confusion, and get the right support for your business. First, let's understand why this matters. QuickBooks offers several products, like QuickBooks Online, Desktop Pro, Premier, Enterprise, and even QuickBooks Self-Employed. Each has its own features, updates, and pricing. Knowing your exact product helps you find the right guides, contact the right support, and make smarter decisions about upgrades or add-ons. Now here's how to identify your QuickBooks version easily. Identify if you're using QuickBooks Online or Desktop. If you log in through a web browser by visiting QuickBooks website and you see your data instantly, you're using QuickBooks Online. This version is cloud-based, meaning there's no software installed on your computer. If, instead, you launch QuickBooks from an icon installed on your desktop or Start menu and it opens as a software window, you're using QuickBooks Desktop. Find your exact QuickBooks product and version. For QuickBooks Online, log into your account. Click on the gear icon, Settings, at the top right. Under Your Company, select Account and Settings. Go to the Billing and Subscription tab, and there you'll see your exact plan, like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. For QuickBooks Desktop, open QuickBooks. Press F2 or Ctrl+1 on some keyboards. A product information window will pop up showing the version, such as Pro 2025, Premier, or Enterprise, and the release number. Note your edition and subscription details. Write down the exact version and release number. This is crucial when reaching out to QuickBooks support or when you plan to update or migrate your data. If you're unsure whether your version is up to date, look for the update status in the same product information window or under Help Greater Than Update QuickBooks. Staying updated ensures smoother performance and better security. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to figure out which QuickBooks product you're using in just a few clicks. This will help you troubleshoot faster, choose the right guides, and make confident decisions about your accounting software. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.